Hey y'all, it's Debbie, Girl with Pearls. And today we're going to be repurposing and updating this old shelf. This shelf is about 25 years old. It was on my farmer's porch in my prior home, and I brought it to this home and used it in my laundry room. But it's time to update it and give it new life, and I decided that I was going to take it out of the laundry room and use it on a wall in my family room so I had more area to decorate. So this is what it looks like up close. Like I said, it's 25 years old and it hung outside, so it got a little bit of weathering over the years. So I gave it a good sand down, and I am updating it with this Hobby Lobby sign, $6.99, and I'm covering that little heart that was in the center, and I feel like this is going to give it new life. This is the paint that I'm using, Benjamin Moore Twilight Zone, and here's the number if you're interested. So I know this is going to take a couple of coats of paint. This is a matte finish that I'm using. It's the same paint that I've used to repurpose my family room tables and my family room hutch. This is sucking in the paint like crazy, so I know it's going to take at least 2 coats, but I'm going to let it dry really well between applications. What I'm going to do here is pre-drill 2 pilot holes. And I find that, yes, it's an extra step, but you don't end up splitting the wood, which I've done on many projects, so I've learned not to be lazy and to take the time and pre-drill. And then you get a good quality product. See, it doesn't take much time. It's just dragging out the drill and getting it set up to do it. I know sometimes I can be lazy about things like that, but I really wanted this project to turn out nice. So there's the heart, say goodbye, and we're going to cover it with that plaque. And honestly, this looks like something you'd buy today currently. I'm really happy with how I've modernized it. I'm just lining everything up. Now I'm tightening everything down. And here's what it looks like. So we went from this to this. This is currently in my family room and another new place for me to decorate. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thanks so much for joining me.